Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I have the cheapest headphones you can find. So yeah, I'm pretty confident that these are the cheapest headphones that you can ever buy. These headphones are for $1.25. So I'm pretty sure that in Canada, there isn't any other cheaper headphones. So yeah, as you guys can see, yeah, I mean with no further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Because I'm excited to see what $1.25 headphones look like. So yeah, with no further ado, let's open this up. Some very nice packaging. Alright. So you guys can see right over there. Pretty long cord, I'm gonna say that. So the cord is long, so yeah. So as you guys can see, they look like the headphones you get in a plane. Yeah, they're very thin. Pretty sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure the sound in this is very bad, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So yeah, let's open this up. So yeah, I guess now we need to test it. So I'm gonna get a device set up and we're gonna test it. So yeah, see you there. So unfortunately, I did not find any phone that I could plug this thing in because there's like my iPhone does not have an audio jack, and no other phones in the house do. So, but here's me wearing them. They look pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, please subscribe and like the video. Can we get like 2 likes on this video, please? That would be very nice. I would not regret spending $125 on this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. And until next time, peace out.